Hey guys, welcome to another video on YouTube. And today we're gonna play Roblox, and I haven't played this in a while, so yeah. What should we start off with? Hero, what? Okay, let's play. Yep. Okay. Okay, so ooh. So I could choose any of these? I like the speed because he looks cool. Yes. How do you work this? Oh no. I failed already. So let me get the controls straight because this is Xbox I'm playing on. Yeah, not the computer. So I used to jump. How do you zoom out? Oh. What the? Oh my god, I seriously can't move. No, I can move, but how do you zoom out? Is there a way to zoom out? If there isn't, I'm just gonna be such an idiot right now. Look at the guy. This guy reminds me from an old TV show. Not TV show, a movie. What was it? Oh crap. I'm such a dork. It's unreal. Okay, I'm leaving this game. At least I found out how to leave the game. Okay. Avatar. Oh, that's cool. Okay, game. Wait. You have to unlock them? That sucks. Oh, whatever. No. Speed run. No, not cube. Eat cube. Tiny tab. Nope. Oh, it shows it right there. Run for it. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's play. Okay, so let's see. The lag. Ow! Ow! They're full blast, I see. Oh, lower the volume. Okay, I don't know how to lower this. Oh crap. Can I lower this way? Okay, I'm very sorry who's ever watching this. Just okay. Oh god, no. Woo! Whoa, don't scare. Hey. Wow, I never even played this and I'm doing amazing. Oh god. Wow, when I see that, what the? Save it. No. Oh. Okay, here we go. Second try. Ew. Oh no, I can't see anything. I seriously. No. Oh my god, look at my body parts. My body parts. They're all over. Oh, those scales. Those scales. Calling it. Those scales. Wait, who's that guy? Wait. Can I go back? Who's that guy? There's like a guy. I hate myself. Oh my god, this is so like. I think I should just take it easy. Say to the snake, YouTube. Shut up, Mike. Oh my god. These skills. Oh. Okay. Made it so far. No! I can't even beat the first level. I suck. I hate this. Nope. Nope. Turn the dang music off. God, that was stressful. Ooh, survival. I've seen this on YouTube where there's like all these different like saying. Yes, I love this. I want to see what happens. I bet you it's gonna be a tsunami or like a tornado. Wait. What's that noise? Is that a tornado? Oh, it's wait, what? What has happened? What is that? Is that a person? Just disaster warning. Earthquake. Oh, they're dead. All of them are dead. Everybody like, oh my god. This is brutal. Oh my god. This is a disaster. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. Just to be honest. Oh my god, they survived. Wait, is it still going? Oh my god. What is that shadow? Hold up. Does nobody see that? On the top left? There's like a shadow of like a Roblox person. Look! No, not... Yeah, a shadow! Look! A weird little shadow. Or am I just blind? Yeah, I think I'm just blind. It's just me. Oh my god. When will the earthquake be over? Sup, ninja? Well, I don't know how to zoom in. Oh, so it's over. Look at the ninja's face. You probably... Okay, now you can see it. Look at his face, like a ninja. Yes, bacon hair. Bacon hair. Bacon groceries. Trailer park. Okay, I can't move. Okay. Oh, we're in. Okay, please don't. What is that? What is that? What is that? Is that a tsunami? I swear, if that's a tsunami. That's a tsunami, isn't it? Everybody's like going up here. Oh, crap. That's 100% tsunami. Right? Wait, that's a bad weather storm, right? Wouldn't you be going in houses right now? Stay clear. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a tornado! Run! Run like hell. Go! Go! Okay, what? Somebody's calling. Oh god. Oh my god. Nope. Oh my god, I almost ran off the edge. No. I'm too young to die. No. Oh crap. What? I'm hiding. No, that's a terrible idea. The bus would just topple over me. I was thinking if I hide behind it. I'm hiding down here. Did I survive? Oh my god, that person lost their hair. They got toppled. Wait, I want to see if you guys can see it. Look at that. Oh my god, no, tornado. It's coming. Is it only coming for like... Wait, I didn't get hurt so far. I am God. Oh Jesus, nope, it's coming at me. Nope, that person lost an arm in this. And a leg. Oh my god. You need surgery or like a robotic leg. I wish they made those. I think they do. Oh. Get up. Up. Did I survive? Did I survive? Did I survive? Did I survive? What? I didn't survive? That's outrageous. Wait, it said I won. This just not making. Oh, wait. Did I die? One person is over there. How is that one person? Oh, okay. That's the weirdest thing. She lost her, like... Oh. I'm bald. I'm Mace Windu. I'm bald. I'm Michael Jordan. Hey. Michael Jordan. I'm bald. No offense if Michael Jordan's watching this, which I highly doubt. But, yeah. Are they playing the Star Wars music? Wait, how is this guy already hurt? I think I'm gonna stay right here until, like in the middle. So then, is that launching up? Disaster warning. Earthquake. Oh my god, get off. Get off. Get off. No. No! I didn't even die by the earthquake. I died by the water and drowning. Let me see this. I want to see this. Oh my god. It wouldn't be safe. Wait, it would be totally safe in the rocket, right? Okay, scratch that. Oh my god, I see the people. Wait, how did that person get in there? Let me go over here. What's up here? I wonder. Can I jump off? I want to jump off and just keep living. I'm in. I'm God. Okay, never mind. Scratch that. Oh God. God, I almost fell. Okay. Okay, guys. So, yeah. I'm gonna leave the video there. So, please smash that subscribe and like button and put that notifications on if you like. So, bye.